you want to instantly boost your magnetic attraction? Get ready to discover an ancient secret that can make the one you desire unable to resist you. If you're thinking, why don't they notice me? The answer might be hidden in your energy. Now is the time to turn your aura into an irresistible magnet. This is the touch of gold ritual. To become magnetic to the one you desire, you only need 3 simple ingredients: a drop of honey, a piece of gold jewelry that belongs to you, and a mirror. So, why does this work? Because honey is nature's most powerful charm of attraction. It binds with its sweetness. Gold, on the other hand, carries pure solar energy. It means power, warmth, and divine radiance. When these two combine, they create a literally irresistible warmth and magnetism in your aura. Now let's get to how it's done. It's very simple. Step 1. Place a drop of honey on your finger. Looking into your own eyes, trace a small heart on the mirror. Charge that heart with your intention. Step 2. Hold your gold jewelry to your lips. Close your eyes and whisper these magic words with all your heart. Sweetness and shine, draw what's mine. Feel the power of these words. Step 3. Immediately wear the jewelry charged with that energy, and do not take it off all day. It is now sealed. The energy is in motion. You are no longer just walking, you are glowing. The warmth of gold and the attraction of honey are now with you. Use this ancient knowledge with love. Don't forget to subscribe to keep discovering the secrets of the universe.